It should never be a hush-hush topic. So girls, let's step up our game. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, hi, I am Jupta and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle and DIY. As you guys can already tell by the title, today I'm going to talk about a menstrual cup. Now I have been using menstrual cup for around 2 months now and I'm loving it. I am loving the feel of it and I'm loving the whole thing, whole concept and everything. So I thought I should share this video with you guys and kind of give you an overlook about why you should switch to menstrual cup and how is it helpful and how will you use it. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive right in the video. Many of us might not know what a menstrual cup looks like or what is it. So let us speak about that first. This is a menstrual cup right here. This is how it looks. It has this kind of a stem at the bottom, so you can easily put it in and pull it out with the help of it. I am using the menstrual cup from the brand named Sirona. And also I'm using their menstrual cup wash as well. I will tell you guys about how you can use it and stuff later in the video. So for now, let's stick to it. So it is actually a silicone cup. As you can see, it's pretty soft. Here, it's pretty soft, as you can see. So it's actually made of silicone, no plastic, so that's a great thing. Now this cup comes in 3 different sizes. It is applicable for all the brands out there, I guess. I have like searched 4 or 5 brands and all of them have the same kind of like category of sizes. So I thought I should share this. This is the medium one which I use. This is the medium one. There's a large cup and there's a small cup. The size is something you should always keep in mind because according to that your comfort will actually vary from time to time, so you should always keep in mind that. So now I will tell you guys why you should switch to a menstrual cup rather than sticking to your tampons or your sanitary pads. The first and the most important point of using a menstrual cup is that it's great for intimate hygiene and keeping yourself away from any rashes, any itchiness which happens when you wear a tampon or a sanitary pad. So the next point is also very important for everyone, I guess, and also if you want to contribute in some way to the nature in any way possible. So I guess this is a great switch because it's very eco-friendly. It lasts for about 5 years easily if you maintain it properly. So it can last you up to 5 years and it is obviously eco-friendly because you don't have the unnecessary like disposal of sanitary pads or tampons. So it is very eco-friendly. The third point I would like to focus on is that you'll save a lot of money. Now honestly, most of the girls spend like around, I'll take an average of 500 rupees on pads or on tampons because you have to, every month you have to refill it. If you don't have it, you have to buy it and it keeps on going for months and months and months and eventually years. So if you see the price of a cup is obviously more than a price of a single sanitary pad or tampon, but if you see it for the long run, it will obviously benefit you in many ways. So it's a very budget friendly option as well. The next point I would like to focus on is that it's hassle free. You don't have the the struggle of wearing your pad, lining it with your innerwear, and you have to wear it. If you're outside, it's another hassle. So that's actually very irritating sometimes. But for menstrual cup, as it lasts for about 12 hours, you can easily wear a menstrual cup, go out, do your daily activities, come back and you can change it and like wash it and it's good to go. And it's great for anyone who has like a 9-to-5 job or who is going for college and stuff. So it's great for that. The next important thing is that you can wear any clothes you want to. You don't have to worry about white pants, swimsuits, shorts, anything. You can literally wear it and you don't have to worry about like it's showing out of places and you feeling uncomfortable. So it's great. And also you can do any outdoor activity possible you can think of: swimming, cycling, playing, whatever you can think of, any outdoor activity you can easily do that with wearing a menstrual cup, and it is not at all uncomfortable. I'm telling you guys, trust me on this, it's not at all uncomfortable. The last point I'm gonna focus on is that it is travel friendly. Now I am a person who likes to go out, travel a lot. I am a person who does camping and trekking a lot. So now if my dates are clashing with the dates of the camp or of the trek, it becomes literally a great like a problem to carry so much pad, because you have to, you won't get it when you are going, okay? So you cannot buy it on the way of your trek, so you have to carry the stock for like 6 days, 5 days. So it's like a hassle, okay? I'm telling you, it's hassle. It's like a problematic problem. I don't know if that makes a sense or not. Just understand it's very irritating sometimes. So for those girls out there who love to travel and who travel a lot, for them menstrual cup is a great option. You don't have the hassle of throwing it here and there. You can literally just wash it and wear it again. So it's great actually if you are a person who travels a lot as well. Now a very common question which arises in our minds, which had arisen in my mind as well, that how to keep it clean and how to maintain a menstrual cup. So it's very easy. First option is very simple. You just need warm water when you're washing it. So when you're taking it out, you should just clean it with warm water nicely, and you are good to go. You can wear it again. The second option is that using a menstrual cup wash, which I use as well. I think that is a better like a more hygienic option. I don't know, like it just feels hygienic, okay? So I just opted for that. For the first month I used like I did it with warm water, and I did not have any like rashes or anything for that, so you can go for that as well. And but now I'm using this menstrual cup wash basically for washing my cup, and it's from the same brand as that of my menstrual cup. So yeah, very common worry which arises in our mind is that how to use a menstrual cup. Now I had myself like literally researched about it, and like I was still panicked about going and choosing this option for switching over, but then it just requires that one brief step, you know, and then it's all done. You don't even feel that there's a menstrual cup inside there, okay? So yeah, so I thought I should just demonstrate how to put it in using this bottle and my menstrual cup. It also has water, so you'll be able to see that whether there's leakage or not. So yeah, this is the bottle. Now what I usually do is I usually fold this cup like so. I flatten it like so, and I just fold it like this. It's very simple, as you can see, to fold it like so and press the end. Now what you have to do, you just have to simply insert it with the help of your fingers, and it will slowly go in like this, and when you push it in, it will actually open up inside. So that's it, it's pretty tight. Now as you can see, there's no leakage whatsoever, there's no water leaking out. Yeah, so it's pretty simple. Now when you're taking it out, you can simply pull it with the help of this stem right here, and you're pulling it, and now you can just simply grab it and you can pull it out. It's as simple as that, guys. So that is it for my video. If you have any question or queries, you can definitely ask me in the comment section down below. Also, you can DM me on my Instagram handle, that is @Jukta_D. It will also appear on the screen for you, so you can ask me anything you want, if you have any doubts. If you found this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions, and also if you want to suggest any other video you want to see from me, and share this video with your girlfriends, with your friends, basically any girl out there. Please share this video. This might be very helpful and a great step for them as well. Also, don't forget to press that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. So until the next video, bye.